Welcome back. Right now, what I want you to do is look at your fuel bill, because experts say because of the spineless and feckless leadership we have in Washington, that's going to double in the next year. And by this summer, it's going to be out of control. If you're looking to increase performance and lower your cost of ownership of your equipment and increase fuel economy, look no further than Viscosity oil. It's not your grandfather's oil, but it's an oil you're familiar with. Joining me right now is Derek from White's Farm Supply. And Derek, you've told me before, one of the things that you've learned as a mechanic here at White's is that not all fluids are created equal. Is that right?
That is exactly right. Everything is different, and it all depends on the machine you're using.
And today we had a workshop to talk about viscosity oil, and it's a technical oil that's right for the right machine. Makes a huge difference on performance, cost of ownership, and of course it's going to lower that fuel bill at the end of the year because it's running better. Is that right?
That is exactly right. It all depends on what you're using, the application. Having the right oil for the machine increases performance, lowers your maintenance costs greatly. Even if the oil you might think costs a little more, it'll save you in the long run by having a major repair.
And now Viscosity Oil brand is offering it not only in quarts and gallons, but in drums. And now they have a tote, 350-gallon tote that can be delivered right to your farm. So you can pump it right out of that, pump it into your own tank, and you're going to have the oil that's going to protect your machinery. And in the end, it's going to make a big difference, isn't it?
Yes, huge difference.
So we're talking oil, we're also talking hydraulic fluid, and we're also talking hydraulic transmission fluid. Is that right?
Yep, all three. They include your Hytran for your CVT transmissions, power shifts. They have a generic hydraulic oil for skid steers, older equipment, engine oil, many different grades of engine oil. They also have grease and engine coolant.
That is great. Important to note, not all fluids are created equal. Viscosity brand fluid, you can learn more at whitesfarmsupply.com. Derek, thanks for being on.
Thank you.